Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi S3 versus the Cupra 300. We'll dive into their performance, interior features, and overall driving dynamics to help you decide which hot hatch best suits your needs. The Audi S3 is known for its sophisticated ride and high-quality cabin, while the Cupra 300 emphasizes raw power and a more engaging drive. Let's explore what makes each of these vehicles stand out in their class. Both the Audi S3 and Cupra 300 are powered by a potent 2-liter turbocharged engine, offering exhilarating performance. The S3 typically boasts around 306 horsepower, while the Cupra 300 is close behind with 296 horsepower. Both vehicles channel this power through a smooth 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. A key difference lies in their drivetrain. The S3 features Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive, providing excellent grip, whereas the Cupra 300 often uses front-wheel drive. Stepping inside, the Audi S3 presents a refined and luxurious cabin, featuring high-quality materials and sophisticated technology. Its design is elegant and understated, offering a premium feel. In contrast, the Cupra 300 embraces a sportier aesthetic, often with supportive bucket seats and a more aggressive, driver-focused layout. Both models come equipped with modern digital cockpits and intuitive infotainment systems, ensuring you stay connected and informed. Your preference here will likely depend on whether you prioritize luxury or sportiness. When it comes to the driving experience, the Audi S3 offers a more composed and comfortable ride, making it an excellent choice for daily commutes and longer journeys. Its handling is precise and refined. The Cupra 300, however, provides a firmer suspension and a more direct, engaging feel, appealing to those who crave a sportier drive. Both vehicles deliver thrilling acceleration and impressive braking. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prefer luxury and comfort or raw, unadulterated sportiness. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.